Hey there, fellow car enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Are you experiencing difficulty shifting gears in your manual car? You may have a bad clutch. Today, we're diving into a common issue that many manual car owners face, a bad clutch. In this video, we'll explore the symptoms, causes, and remedies for a faulty clutch. So, let's get started. In a manual transmission car, the clutch is a vital component that connects and disconnects the engine from the gearbox to allow for smooth shifting of gears. The clutch system consists of several key components. The clutch disc is located between the engine's flywheel and the transmission input shaft. It has friction material on both sides that engages with the flywheel and pressure plate to transfer power from the engine to the transmission. The pressure plate is a spring-loaded component that presses the clutch disc against the flywheel when engaged. When you press the clutch pedal, the pressure plate releases its grip on the clutch disc, allowing you to shift gears. The flywheel is a heavy, rotating disc attached to the engine's crankshaft. It provides inertia and helps smooth out the power delivery from the engine to the transmission. The release bearing, also known as the throwout bearing, is a component that engages with the pressure plate to disengage the clutch when you press the clutch pedal. When you press the clutch pedal in a manual transmission car, the pressure plate releases its grip on the clutch disc, disconnecting the engine from the transmission. This allows you to shift gears smoothly without damaging the gearbox or causing grinding noises. When you release the clutch pedal, the pressure plate re-engages with the clutch disc, transferring power from the engine to the transmission once again. Symptoms of a bad clutch. The first step in diagnosing a bad clutch is recognizing the symptoms. Here are a few signs that your clutch might be on the fritz. 1. Difficulty shifting gears. If you're experiencing resistance or grinding noises when shifting gears, it could indicate a worn-out clutch. A worn-out clutch can make it challenging to shift gears smoothly. You may experience grinding or resistance when trying to engage a gear, or the clutch pedal may feel stiff and unresponsive. 2. Slipping clutch. Does your engine rev up without a proportional increase in speed? This could be a sign of a slipping clutch. If you notice that the engine revs increase without a corresponding increase in vehicle speed, it could be a sign of a slipping clutch. This occurs when the clutch disc fails to maintain proper contact with the flywheel, resulting in power loss. 3. Burning smell. A distinct burning odor, especially when you engage the clutch, might indicate excessive friction caused by a failing clutch. If you detect a burning smell, similar to that of burning rubber, while driving or after changing gears, it could be due to a slipping clutch. Excessive heat generated by a slipping clutch can cause the clutch components to overheat and emit a distinct odor. 4. Vibration or shuddering. A faulty clutch can cause the vehicle to vibrate or shudder when you engage the clutch pedal or release it. This can indicate a worn-out clutch plate or a damaged pressure plate. 5. Clutch pedal issues. If the clutch pedal feels spongy, sticks to the floor, or requires excessive effort to engage or disengage, it may be a sign of a problem with the clutch hydraulic system or the clutch cable. Causes of a bad clutch. Now that we know the symptoms, let's explore the common causes behind a bad clutch. 1. Normal wear and tear. Over time, the clutch disc, pressure plate, and release bearing can wear out due to regular use. The clutch is a wear and tear component, and over time, its friction materials can wear out, resulting in diminished performance and eventually clutch failure. 2. Improper driving techniques. Riding the clutch, frequently engaging in aggressive shifting, or resting your foot on the clutch pedal can accelerate clutch wear. Frequent aggressive driving, such as excessive clutch slipping, can accelerate clutch wear and lead to premature failure. 3. Contaminated clutch fluid. If moisture or debris enters the clutch hydraulic system, it can lead to clutch slippage or failure. Oil leaks from the engine or transmission can contaminate the clutch disc, causing it to slip or lose grip. 4. Improper clutch adjustment. If the clutch is not correctly adjusted during installation or maintenance, it can cause uneven wear and clutch-related issues. 5. A leaking hydraulic system, or a damaged release bearing. Remedies for a bad clutch. Don't worry, there are several remedies to address a bad clutch. Here are a few options. 1. Diagnose the issue. Consult a professional mechanic who can inspect your clutch system and determine the exact cause of the problem. They will be able to identify whether the clutch needs adjustment, repair, or replacement. 2. Clutch adjustment. In some cases, a simple adjustment of the clutch pedal free play or cable tension can improve clutch performance. If the clutch is not engaging or disengaging properly, a simple adjustment may solve the issue. This involves tweaking the clutch cable or hydraulic system to ensure proper operation. 3. Clutch repair. If the clutch components are worn out but not completely damaged, a repair may be possible. This typically involves replacing the clutch disc, pressure plate, and release bearing while retaining the flywheel if it's in good condition. 4. Clutch replacement. If the clutch is severely worn or damaged, a complete clutch replacement might be necessary. This involves replacing all the clutch components, including the clutch disc, pressure plate, release bearing, and pilot bearing. It's best to consult a professional mechanic for this task. 5. Upgraded clutch kits. For performance enthusiasts or those with specific driving needs, upgrading to a high-performance clutch kit can provide better durability and performance. 6. Proper driving technique. To prevent premature clutch wear, it's essential to practice good driving habits. Avoid excessive clutch slipping, aggressive shifting, and riding the clutch pedal. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips to keep in mind. 1. Regular maintenance. Follow your car manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule. Regularly inspect and replace worn-out clutch components to prevent major issues down the line. 2. Proper driving techniques. Practice good driving habits to prolong the life of your clutch. Avoid excessive revving, aggressive shifting, and resting your foot on the clutch pedal when not in use. 3. Clutch fluid replacement. Periodically check and replace the clutch fluid as recommended by your car's manual. Contaminated or low fluid levels can affect clutch performance. 4. Seek professional help. If you're unsure about diagnosing or fixing a bad clutch, it's always best to consult a qualified mechanic. They have the expertise and tools to accurately diagnose the issue and provide the appropriate solution. To sum it up, a bad clutch in a manual car can lead to symptoms such as slipping, difficulty shifting gears, burning smells, vibration, and clutch pedal issues. Common causes include clutch wear, aggressive driving, improper clutch adjustment, and oil contamination. If you encounter these symptoms, it's crucial to diagnose the issue, consider clutch adjustment or repair, or opt for a complete clutch replacement if necessary. Remember to practice good driving habits to prolong the life of your clutch. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more automotive tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.